योगेन चित्तस्य पदेन वाचां मलं शरीरस्य च वैद्यकेन योपाकरोत्तं प्रवरं मुनीनां पतञ्जलिं प्राञ्जलिरानतोऽस्मि। पातञ्जलयोगसूत्राणि सस्वर महर्षि पतञ्जलि प्रणीतं योगदर्शनम् चतुर्थोऽध्यायः कैवल्यपादः। जन्मौषधि तपःसमाधिज सिद्धया. Siddhas are attained by birth, hers, mantra, austerities, and absorption in bliss. Jatyantara parinamah prakrutya purat. An overflowing, highly evolved nature results in transformation in future incarnation. Nimittam prayojakam prakrutinam varnabhedastu tat kshetrikatvat. Good or bad deeds do not lead to realization, but rather the removal of the obstacles, similar to the farmer removing rocks from the paddock. Nirmana chittani asmita matrat. The mind felt since apparent due to separate self-identification alone. In this way, it is said that self-identification alone can create mind. Pravritti bhede prayojakam chittamekam anekesham. Created minds are influenced by natural mind alone, even while function in relative to different activities. Tatra dhyana jamana shayam. Mind born as fruits of meditation are free from impression. Karma shukla krishnam yoginas trividam ita tesham. Shukla Krishna, Krishna Shukla, Ashukla Krishna. Yogi experiences 4 types of karma. Ordinary people experiences first 3. Tata tat vipaka anugamanam eva abhivyaktihi vasananam. Strong desires manifest according to 3 karmas. They manifest proportional to their impression. Jati desh kala vyavahitanam apyantaraya smriti sanskara yo rekarupatvat. Due to latent impressions within the human psychophysiological framework remaining intact, they perpetuate cause and effect irrespective of time, birth and place. Tasamanaditatvam chashisho nityatvat. The will to live permanently, eternally has resulted in deep impressions having no beginning. Hetu falashtrayalam vanai sangrahitam tattvadesham bhave tadbhavah. The vasanas are created by cause, effect, object and substance. When the impact of this is diminished, so too do the vasanas diminish. Atita anagatam swarupatha asti advabhed dharmanam. Vasanas exist in the present in their essential form. Their inherent properties manifest relative to nature and chitta. Te vyakta sukshma gunatmana. Forms and impressions, whether manifest or subtle, are governed by the gunas. Parinamaikatvat vasu tattvam. The essence of an object transformation of the occur relative to the gunas and oneness. वस्तु साम्ये चित्त भेदात् तयोर्विभक्त पंथः. The same object perceived by different minds keep the dualistic experience apparent in the form of subject and object. न च एक चित्तवस्तु तद प्रमाणकं तदा किं स्यात्. The object does not depend on mind to exist. What would happen to the object without equipment of perception and cognition? Tad uparagapekshitvā chittasya vastu jnātā-jnātam. The mind needs the reflection to objects allow the unknown to become known. Sada jnātāश्चित्तवृत्तयस्तत् प्रभो पुरुषस्य परिणामयित्वात्. Due to unchanging nature of Purusha, all the modification within the mind can be known. Subsequently, Purusha is appreciated as the master of mind. Na tatsvabhasam drishyatvat. The mind functioning relative to knowledge, perception is not responsible for spiritual illumination. Ekasamaye chobhayanavadharanam. Spiritual illumination, sensorial perception, cognition cannot be comprehended simultaneously. Chittantara drishya buddhi buddhirata prasanga smriti sankarasya. If mind is perceived by the other, cognition of cognitions leads to confusion and confused memory. Chittera prati sankramyastad akarapatto swabuddhi samvedanam. Knowledge of one's true nature through self-cognition is accomplished when consciousness assumes that form which does not pass from one stage to another. Drishtir drishyoparaktam chittam sarvartham. The mind filled in realm of Prakriti manifestation has the capability to perceive any and all object. Tad sankheva asanabhi chitramapi parartha samhatyakaritvat. The mind filled with colored impression exists for interaction with consciousness. Experience result from the combination of it. Vishesha darshina atma bhava bhavanam vinivrutti. Complete cessation of separate self-consciousness occurs for one who has experienced distinction and their own true nature. Tada viveka nimna kaivalya prabharam chittam. The mind is inclined towards discrimination, which will lead to kaivalya. Tachidreshu pratyayantarini sanskarebhya. When the state of viveka, higher discrimination, is not being experienced, pratyayas still enter into awareness from past impression that remain in the unconscious. Hanamesham kleshavad uktam. Pratyayas are to be eliminated the same as kleshas. Prasangakhyanepya siddhasya sarvatha vivekhyapte dharmamega samadhi. When there is no interest in even the highest meditation, dharmamega samadhi is experienced due to complete discrimination. Tata klesha karma nivrutti. After dharmamega samadhi, freedom from kleshas and karmas is experienced due to their destruction. Tata sarvavaran malapetya jnanasyamta neyam malpam. When all impurities and wealths cease to exist, infinite knowledge is accessible. ततः कृतार्थानां परिणामक्रम समाप्तिर्गुणानां. Having fulfilled their purpose of change, the gunas retire. क्षण प्रतियोगी परिणाम परांत निर्गाय क्रम. The process of karma, succession of moments, time is then apprehensible. पुरुषार्थ शून्यानां गुणानां प्रतिप्रसव कैवल्यं स्वरूप प्रतिष्ठा वाचिते शक्तिरिति. Liberation, establishment in one's own true nature, is the purpose of Purusha. Occurs when human psychophysiological framework is divided of both gunas and influence. The process of involution holds. इति पतंजलि विरचिते योग सूत्रे चतुर्थ कैवल्यपादः. इति श्री पातंजल योग सूत्राणि.